A number of different practical and theoretical and inferential methods you can.
No. If you look at the YouTube in 2005 of the universe, existentialism now takes this approach was because it's sort of an interrelationship where it takes all these mutually exclusive areas into consideration. It's called the universe has no inherent or intrinsic meaning. Right, and constructed meaning in a universe that has no intrinsic meaning.
From a cognitive neuroscientific perspective, the brain interprets.
What exactly causes bipolar? There's a whole dichotomic school of thought.
We call it alchemy, transmutate, convert.
It doesn't treat the semantics of words.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.